I'm Melissa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you every single thing that I eat in a day as a vegan who follows low calorie density, and I try to really emphasize eating healthy, filling, satiating starches. All right, it's that time again. It is smoothie time, my favorite time of day because smoothies are just delicious and filling and sweet. And I'm going to be putting in quite a bit of frozen banana. Now, frozen bananas are the key ingredient because it makes the smoothie like a milkshake kind of consistency, which is just super yummy. And I live in Arizona, so I like anything that cools me down because it is so hot right now. All right, so I'm going to be adding in some nutmeg and cinnamon and also some of my favorite stevia. This stuff is really, really crazy concentrated, so I just put the tiniest little amount and it makes the entire drink very sweet and dessert-like. And then I'm also adding in some water and some baby spinach. I don't really measure how much I put in. I just kind of take a handful and blend that in with everything else. All right, look at that creamy smoothie goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Got a little excited and overfilled it. Yum, yum, yum. All right, for lunch, I'm gonna have a few baked potatoes. These are russet potatoes, and I've just washed them well. I leave the skin on, and then I poke some air holes. I set the oven to 450, and I leave them in usually about 45 minutes, but I'm just gonna check them because these are a little smaller than I usually make, so they might take less time. All right, so here are my baked potatoes. I just sliced them in half, and I have a little side salad that I made as well. Something that I put on pretty much all of my dishes, just because I really like the flavor of it, is lemon. So I'm just pouring a little bit of lemon juice all over the potatoes and the salad. Just a really nice way to add some flavor, and it's healthy as well. And then I'm just gonna add some no high fructose corn syrup ketchup. There we go. And sometimes I'll also add sriracha if I feel like spice. There you go. Really easy meal, very filling. Potatoes are one of my favorite go-to, very, very satiating, yummy food. For a little snack, I'm having an apple and a banana. All right, for dinner, I'm gonna make pasta with peas and broccoli, and I'm just using frozen peas and broccoli that I got at the grocery store. And it's gonna be a super, super easy meal, but very filling, and I love pasta. And green vegetables are some of the lowest calorie dense foods that you can find. So the more you can add in spinach, add in broccoli, just add in greens to as many of the meals that you're having, then you'll kind of ensure that the meals are just kind of going to be less calorically dense. All right, so on my pasta, I'm putting a little bit of lemon juice. Surprise, surprise, I put that on everything. And some black pepper, crushed chili flakes, and lots of garlic powder. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna add a bit of sea salt as well. And voila. And there we go, a nice big plate of pasta with peas and broccoli. Super simple, super filling, super yummy. All right, now I'm gonna make a bowl of oatmeal. I usually have oatmeal kind of like a dessert. Sometimes I'll have it for breakfast, but usually I tend to have it later on in the day. So I'm just using these old-fashioned oats, some stevia to sweeten it. Also a sliced up banana, some frozen blueberries, and for even more flavor, a little bit of nutmeg and lots of cinnamon. Oatmeal's ready, and I'm just gonna add in some of my soy milk. Now I don't really measure anything, I just kind of free pour. Same with the amount of oatmeal I make. If there's a little bit extra, I'll just save it and have it later, or maybe Alex will have some. And I'm adding in some nutmeg, cinnamon. Now, as you can probably see if you've been watching my videos for a while, I am not shy when it comes to using spices. I am all about making these meals taste really good, and I just don't think healthy needs to be bland and boring. There are so many creative ways and flavors to make your food taste just how you like it. And I'm just adding in a sprinkling of stevia. This stuff is really powerful, so I'm not going to add too much because it will ruin it otherwise. And the blueberries are getting nice and melted from the heat of the oats. All right, I'm gonna go eat this and watch something on Netflix. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.